75 years has been an evolution. We have not just been given the rights, but also the duties, ladies and gentlemen, the duty to preserve its value, the duty to protect its integrity, the duty to practice what we preach. The real question is, are we truly admiring our Constitution? Today, as we stand at this crucial milestone, we must take the 11 sankalps of our Samvidhan Divas, not just as a promise, but as a pledge. A pledge to make our Constitution not just a legal guide, but a living reality. A pledge to fight injustice, not just in the courtrooms, but in our daily life. A pledge to ensure gender equality, not just in our policies, but in our households. And these are not just the word, but our responsibility. And let me remind you, ladies and gentlemen, nations rise not just on the strength of their leaders alone, but on the character of its people. And that is what exactly our Constitution expects from us. Not to demand change, but become the change. Every citizen, from a farmer to a scientist, from a student to a soldier, must ask, how can I contribute to making our Constitution stronger? As we celebrate the 75 years of our Constitution, we must ensure when India completes its 100 years of its Constitution, it won't just be a celebration of survival, but a celebration of a nation that has fulfilled its promise. So I ask, are we ready to live the Constitution, breathe its value, and protect and shape our future? Let's rise. Let's pledge. Let's make it happen. Let's build an India that our Constitution expects from us. The Constitution has done its duty. Now it's time for us to do ours. जब होगा सबका साथ, हमारा विश्वास, तभी होगा भारत का विकास. Thank you and जय हिंद.